How to fix Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro not connecting, pairing to MacBook. Fix 1. Reset the Bluetooth connection. Forget the buds on Mac. Step 1. Go to System Settings, Bluetooth, or System Preferences, Bluetooth, on older macOS versions. Step 2. Find your Galaxy Buds in the list of connected devices. Step 3. Click the I or X next to them and select Forget. Reset the buds. Step 1. Place the earbuds in your ears. Step 2. Touch and hold both touchpads simultaneously. Step 3. Hold until you hear a sound indicating they've entered pairing mode. Fix 2. Manually enter pairing mode. Step 1. Place the Galaxy Buds in your ears. Step 2. Touch and hold both touchpads. Step 3. Wait for the chime or voice prompt indicating pairing mode. Fix 3. Connect via Mac Bluetooth settings. Step 1. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on your Mac. Step 2. Open System Settings, Bluetooth. Step 3. Wait for Galaxy Buds 3 Pro to appear under available devices. Step 4. Click Connect next to the Galaxy Buds listing. Fix 4. Reset the Galaxy Buds. Step 1. Make sure the Galaxy Buds have at least 50% battery. Step 2. Place them in the charging case and close the lid. Step 3. Wait for 30 seconds, then open the case. Step 4. Remove the buds and place them in your ears. Step 5. Touch and hold both touchpads until you hear a reset chime or tone.